Today I'm cooking crispy fried fish with curry powder, also known as Ikan Kembung goreng. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 750 grams of Indian mackerel or Ikan Kembung, cleaned and washed with the stomach removed, 5 stems of curry leaves, washed and pat dry, 3 tablespoons of Gogi tempura flour. This is what it looks like. 4 tablespoons of fish curry powder. This is what it looks like. Half tablespoon of salt, 80 ml of cold water, and 1 kilogram of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Switch on the heat, put 1 kilogram of cooking oil in the pan, and set the time for 10 minutes. This is for the oil to get hot enough to fry the fish. While waiting for the oil to get hot, marinate the fish. Sprinkle half of the salt on the fish and rub, spreading it evenly. Flip the fish and repeat the rest of the salt. Set it aside. Now let's prepare the flour batter. Put the Gogi tempura flour in the mixing bowl and the curry powder. Use a hand whisk to mix until well combined. A spoon can be used as well. Add in 80 ml of cold water and continue to whisk until become thick paste, like this. Okay, our flour batter is done. Coat the fish with the flour batter. I am using a spatula scraper to apply the thick curry paste on the fish. However, a brush or a clean hand works well too. We want to make sure the layer is as even as possible. I will continue until they are all coated with the curry paste. I am adding a bit more batter to the head so it will be very crispy and tasty. Alright, the fish are ready. Let's start frying. The oil has been heating up for 10 minutes now. Dip a pair of cooking wooden chopsticks to check if it is ready for deep frying. If a lot of bubble rise to the surface, the oil is ready. Strip the curry leaves off their stem and put them directly in the hot oil. Fry for 20 seconds. This incorporates their fragrance into the oil while making the leaves crispy for garnishing later. Remove from the hot oil. Drip off the excess oil and leave it aside. Next, fry the fish. Put the fish into the hot oil for 5 minutes or until it is cooked and the batter is crispy at the bottom. For my pan size, I am cooking 2 fishes per batch. After 5 minutes, carefully turn the fish to the other side and cook for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, the fish is cooked. Remove them from the pan and rest them on the cooling rack. Continue with the second batch and repeat the steps. Put the fish in the hot oil and fry them for 5 minutes. Once the bottom side is cooked, carefully turn the fish and continue frying for 3 more minutes. Once it is fully cooked and crispy, remove from the pan, resting them on the cooling rack with the first batch. Now we are ready to serve. Arrange the fish on the serving plate and sprinkle the curry leaves over them. And the crispy fried fish with curry powder is ready. I recommend enjoying this dish immediately for the better taste and texture. Let's eat! So delicious, crispy on the outside and soft and juicy on the inside. The fragrance of curry powder and curry leaves increase the appetite. So good with rice or on its own. Just be careful of the bones. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!